Hi, this is Master Restorer 91, and today I'm going to change the wipers on my 2022 Chevy Malibu. So the 24-inch goes on the driver's side and the 18-inch goes on the passenger side. The only thing that you will need is just a flat screwdriver or a knife. If you're going to use a knife, be careful. If you don't know what size it is, could use a measuring tape like this one. So I'm gonna get going. So what you do is lift up the hand of the wiper carefully like that. So now what you're gonna do is get a flat screwdriver and pry it up like that. Okay, now it's like a hook. It's like a hook, so what you do is you just carefully hold the handle right here with your hand and then push it down. Like that, and then it comes out. So you just slide it down. So now that it's off, like I told you, it's a hook. So now I'm gonna put the new one, the Duralast. So what you need to do now is slide it this way, like that. So now you just turn it right there. So basically you just slide this thing, the inside of it, and then it should line up and you could just hear a click. There we go. So basically you just turn this thing, the inside of it, of the wiper blade, because it was not going in. I thought it was already set up so it could just go slide in, but it wasn't. So now it's clipped in right there. So now onto the passenger side. There you go. Good. That's new. So this was already, it was raining a little bit yesterday, and look, it was already coming off. This is the original one. This is the original wiper blade. So it was time to change it. So now I'm gonna put the 18-inch onto the passenger side. Put up like this. This one's already torn, you see? So you just slide it down and then pull out, so you see the hook. So now, like I said, you're gonna turn this thing, the inside, like that, and then you're gonna slide it in there. You press up. Just do it carefully. Take your time. Okay, I already got it in there. No more rip ones. So like I said, it's good to change them every year. It's better to change them every year. You don't want to have a risk. Yesterday was sprinkling a little bit, so it wasn't wiping that good, so it could be a risk getting into a car accident. So make sure you change them every year. So remember, always change the wipers after 1 year, and never use the wipers when there's ice on the windshield or there's snow, because it could damage your wiper motor or you could waste very quick the wiper blades. But the most worst is damaging your wiper motor. So make sure before, this is what I do when there's snow or there's ice. I usually put a blanket over the windshield. So in the morning, let's say you get off of work, you remove the blanket and there's no snow or ice on your windshield, so you don't have to worry about scraping the ice in the morning. Or you're gonna take your kids to school and it's gonna take more time scraping the whole. There's ice scrapers that you could scrape off in the windshield. They sell them in the auto parts store. But if you want to avoid all that, just put a blanket over and then wipe it off, shake it off, and then put it every night, and on you go to wherever you have to go to the job or drop off the kids to school. So make sure you take care of your wiper blades. Like I said, always change them every year. So thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey, give a thumbs up. And I'll be making more videos for you guys. Thanks for watching.